guys! Again, welcome to my vlog. Nandito na naman tayo sa aking YouTube channel at tara, samahan niyo naman ako mag-release ng Triton Athlete 4x4 2025. Ayan, so stay tuned kayo kung ano yung magiging process natin dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos. At okay ba yung mag-process ng through online? Ayan, so again guys, sa mga nagbabalak dyan sa ating new viewers at new subscriber, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, and subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Hi guys! Ayan, nandito na yung unit natin na Triton Athlete 4x4 2025. So ayan, for release natin siya today. So i-check lang natin yung unit natin para naman at least okay natin i-hand over kay client. So stay tuned kayo guys kung ano-ano yung mga naging process natin dito kay Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. At tignan natin kung ano yung magiging comment ni client. So stay tuned kayo guys!
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
So ayan guys, tara, i-ready ko lang yung mga docs ni client para pagdating niya, naka-ready na tayo. Chinek ko lang yung unit niya para at least okay natin siya i-hand over. Walang chinek natin yung unit. Ayan, so ayan, pababa tayo sa stockyard natin. So ganito siya. Kaya parang pababa tayo. So ayan, so stay tuned kayo guys. Tingnan natin yung process ng pagre-release natin. So yun, what's up guys? Ayan, nakapag-release na naman tayo ng Triton Athlete 4x4 dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So ayan sila sir, dinidiscuss na po natin yung unit sa kanila para may hand over na natin. So chine-check po nila lahat para mapakita sa inyo na okay yung unit na i-release natin today. So guys, Mitsubishi Triton Athlete 4x4 nga pala yung i-release natin. So ayan guys, meron naman tayo release the Triton Athlete 4x4 Again guys, sa mga ating new viewers dyan and new subscriber dyan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel. Again guys, I'm Madeline Vergara, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila.